Tucked away in the heart of Europe, the Czech Republic boasts a cuisine as rich and comforting as its history. Forget delicate foams and artful smears. Czech food is about hearty portions, bold flavors, and time-honored traditions. This is food meant to be enjoyed with friends and family, a celebration of local ingredients and culinary heritage. Imagine sitting in a cozy Prague pub, the aroma of freshly baked bread and simmering stews filling the air. Hearty soups, tender meats bathed in rich sauces, and dumplings so fluffy they practically melt in your mouth. These are just a few of the delights that await you on a culinary journey through the Czech Republic. In this exploration of Czech cuisine, we'll delve into the history and recipes of some of its most iconic dishes. From the regal Svíčková to the humble yet flavorful Guláš, each dish tells a story of Czech culture and culinary ingenuity. So loosen your belt, grab a fork, and get ready for a delicious adventure into the heart of Czech cuisine. If Czech cuisine had a queen, Svíčková would undoubtedly wear the crown. This majestic dish, often served on special occasions, is a testament to the Czech love for rich sauces and tender meats. Picture this: thin slices of beef sirloin, gently simmered in a creamy vegetable sauce, its flavor deepened by a touch of sweetness from carrots and a hint of tanginess from lemon. But Svíčková is not just about the sauce. It's an orchestra of flavors and textures. The tender meat is traditionally larded with bacon, adding a smoky depth to each bite. And what would Svíčková be without its signature dumplings? These fluffy pillows of dough, often made with a combination of bread and potato, are the perfect sponges for soaking up every last drop of that luxurious sauce. The history of Svíčková can be traced back centuries, with roots in traditional Bohemian cuisine. Some food historians believe the dish has evolved from an even older recipe, perhaps dating back to the Middle Ages. Over time, Svíčková has been refined and elevated, becoming a true symbol of Czech culinary excellence. Today, Svíčková remains a beloved national dish, enjoyed by generations of Czechs and cherished by visitors from around the world. It's a dish that embodies the warmth, generosity, and culinary artistry of Czech cuisine. No exploration of Czech cuisine would be complete without a hearty bowl of guláš. This beloved stew, often made with beef, is a true embodiment of Czech comfort food. Imagine tender chunks of beef, slowly simmered in a rich, paprika-infused broth. Onions add a touch of sweetness, while caraway seeds and garlic lend their distinctive aromas to the mix. The history of guláš is as rich and complex as its flavor. While often associated with Hungary, guláš in its various forms can be found across Central Europe, with each region adding its own unique twist to the recipe. In the Czech Republic, guláš is typically served with houskový knedlík, fluffy bread dumplings that are perfect for soaking up the flavorful broth. The origins of guláš can be traced back to 9th century Hungary, where it was a staple for nomadic shepherds. Over time, the dish spread throughout the region, evolving and adapting to local tastes and ingredients. Today, guláš holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of Czechs. It's a dish that evokes memories of home-cooked meals, shared with loved ones, and enjoyed with a side of crusty bread and a cold beer. Kure na paprika, or chicken paprika, is a dish that perfectly captures the essence of Czech home cooking. Imagine tender pieces of chicken, simmered in a creamy paprika sauce, its vibrant color a feast for the eyes as much as the palate. Onions and garlic add their aromatic notes, while a touch of sour cream lends a velvety richness to the sauce. This dish is all about simplicity and flavor. The chicken is cooked until it's fall-off-the-bone tender, its flavor infused with the smoky sweetness of paprika. And what would kure na paprika be without a generous dollop of Czech dumplings? These soft, pillowy mounds are the perfect accompaniment, soaking up every last drop of that delectable sauce. The origins of kure na paprika can be traced back to Hungary, where paprika is a beloved spice. The dish likely made its way to the Czech Republic through cultural exchange and trade, becoming a staple in Czech kitchens. Today, kure na paprika remains a favorite among Czechs of all ages. It's a dish that's both comforting and satisfying, perfect for a family meal or a casual gathering with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures.